Wow, look at this. Look how cool this is. I'm right by Taco Bell, right? Good place to be stuck, you know? Look at these winds, though. They've got to be 40 to 60 miles an hour. The car is moving. I'm not kidding you. I don't know how to show that, but this is really something, I'll tell you. Look at that. Wow. Maybe I can show you the... Oh my God, we're really moving. This is so cool. I am in like Wesley Chapel, Florida, which is on the west coast, just north of Tampa. This is so, and it's like 9:44 a.m. What's today, the 18th, I think, of May 2020. There was talk of a hurricane building up, and this might be like the remains of it or something. This is really cool, though. Look at this. It's lighting up now, I actually think. Oh man, this is really cool. Oh my God. So we're looking at Wendy's over here. Like I said, Taco Bell's in front of us, and there's gonna be like I don't know, like a Longhorn or Outback Steakhouse next door or something. I'm not going anywhere right now, man. What's up? I kind of like, I came to the parking lot and then I was, making my trades. It's just, 9:30 and the market's going great. I'm selling a bunch of stock though, of course. And I'm just sitting here and I heard the reports, but like, oh, here it goes. This is cool. It's not as, doesn't seem as windy, like it's blowing as much anymore right now. But it started just dripping and dripping and dripping, and bam! This is cool though, right? So I ain't gonna get any tacos anytime, any spicy potato salad tacos anytime soon. And today's that Monday when they're like doing 50% capacity in Florida now, because of the whole COVID 19.3, the expanded version. All right, we out.